In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Subway Princess Runner game app. If you can't play games on this app all of a sudden, maybe the app can't open, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, or mostly it hangs, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, we need to access the app info page, and you can simply do this through settings. Alternatively, just long press on your app and you should see a pop-up here with app info. If for your case you don't have this, you should have a settings gear next to it, or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access this game app info page. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, we want to clear the data on this app, and if I go to storage, you can see we have cache data here, or the breakdown of data stored by the app. So we first need to clear cache data, because when this cache data accumulates, this might cause your app to malfunction. So tap on clear data down below and choose clear cache and final OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your phone and open your game. And in most cases, this is enough to fix most of the issues that you are experiencing. However, if you still have any challenge, then you might want to come again here on app info page, and this time around clear all data by just tapping on clear all data and OK, and this should fix your problem. But should this not work, then maybe you don't have free space on your smartphone. You may want to clear some apps or even files to create more space for you to be able to play or use this app without any issue. But that is only if you have a storage issue. However, if you don't have any storage problem, then you need to go and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and find out if we have any update for this game app. By updating your game app to the latest version, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this game app, and also fix any issues that might be associated with this app. At this point, everything should be okay. However, if you still have any challenge, then the app might contain bugs. This is more especially if your app keeps on crashing. So to fix that, you'll need to uninstall your app and then install it afresh, and this should have now fixed your problems. So that's how you can fix issues related to your Subway Princess Runner app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.